Hello everyone, this is Seish Kashyap. Today I am going to explain you the chapter from your SST book, that is chapter number 22. Days we observe from your 5th standard. Okay, so days we observe. What is known as observe means celebrate. The days we celebrate throughout the year. As in the whole year, some days are special for us. And these days are celebrated not only by us, it is celebrated by all of us. Okay. So, UN observance means UN, that is United Nations. Observance, what I mean is observance, celebrations. So these are international days which are observed, which are celebrated by the United Nations. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn about what are the international observance days, what is the need and importance, why we celebrate these days, what is the importance, what is the need of these days, and what are some of the important international observance days. Okay, so chapter is very serious, very interesting and very important same time. So I want to pay attention properly. Okay, so let us start the chapter. So before going deep into the chapter, let us first take the examples. So students, all of us celebrate our birthday every year. Yes, isn't it or not? Yes, it is not like this ki we are just forgetting our birthday date. No. Yes, our birthday, not only our birthday, some days are special to us in our whole year. And these days we are never forgetting. We just wait for it. Yeah, we just wait for it. So, why? Because those days are very important to us. On that day, anything special would happen in our life. Okay, so that's why we just celebrate those days with a lot of happiness. Yeah, and that's why we used to wait very curiousness. Okay, so let us start the chapter now. So let us discuss some of the international days that are celebrated by the UN, that is United Nations. Okay, now let us start. United Nations observance. What is called observance? Celebrations or international observant days give us a chance to remember few issues of great importance. Yeah, students, these days are celebrated with a lot of respect, dignity. Okay, so and we just give a chance, we have just have a chance to remember these few issues. All nations have been working tirelessly to address these issues. These days are used for commemoratory. What is the meaning of commemoratory? Remembering a day in celebration. Yes, commemoratory means remembering a day in celebration. Okay, and promoting and mobilizing the whole world towards the social and humanitarian causes. The United Nations various organizations specially design specific logos for commemorating these days internationally. So these days are celebrated all over the world with a lot of respect. Yeah, these days remind us of a great efforts, and when these days are celebrated on these days, we used to remind those events of those reformers being put to the cause and our responsibility in contributing towards them. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn about some International Women's Day. Okay, so let us learn first the International Women's Day. International Women's Day is celebrated to invoke. What is called invoke? What is the meaning of invoke? To just remind, yeah, to give respect, appreciation to praise somebody, and love towards women. So on these days we just used to give respect to an appreciation and love towards women. Not only on this day only, it is our responsibility, it is our duty to just do this. This day is celebrated on 8th March every year. Yes, International Women's Day is celebrated on 8th March every year. This day also celebrates the social, economic and political achievements of the women worldwide and inspires women for the same. So on this day we celebrate the social, society women's, economic, those who are forward in financials, and political achievements, those who have done a great work in politics. All these we used to remind them and we used to inspire women for the same. On this day, let's see what happens. Purple ribbons are worn for celebrating this day globally all around the world. This day forces us to stand against exploitation of women and violence towards women. So on this day we just stand against the discrimination should not be done against the women, and we have stopped the violence which is going on in our world towards women. Okay. So what is the logo? What is the logo of this? The logo of International Women's Day is the purple ribbon worn to celebrate this day. Okay. So this is the logo, International Women's Day logo it is. Okay, now let us turn the page. That is page number 149. Now let's start the next day, that is the World Health Day. World Health Day is celebrated to raise consciousness, to make the people alert towards the issues of health worldwide. Yes, we are just making the people alert about the health. So it is celebrated on 7th April every year. Various governments and non-government organizations, what they used to do, they celebrate this day to raise concern, to care for the issues of public health like increasing cases of diabetes, hypertension, that is high blood pressure, cardiac problems, etc. This day inspires us to adopt healthy living habits. So on this day we are alert about some kind of problems, some kind of health issues, and this day also inspires to adopt healthy living habits. So same students, if we are not taking precautions, so we will not be healthy anytime. So we have to take precautions so that we would not face that condition of illness. So we have to adopt healthy living habits. If we will adopt the healthy living habits, so I'm sure that we will never fall ill in our life. Okay, so okay, understood? World Health Day, yes, which inspires us to adopt healthy living habits, which is celebrated on 7th April every year. Okay, now comes World Environmental Day. Yes, World Environmental Day. This day is for creating general awareness about the deteriorating environmental conditions worldwide. Yes, so this day is celebrated to make the people alert for the destruction which is done in the environment, and it is celebrated on 5 June every year. The world is reminded of the difficulties in controlling environmental pollutions and the measures that can be taken to save the environment. So on this day we used to make the people aware. Yes, creating knowledge about something to make how the environmental clean, fresh, how to reduce the pollution, how to control the environmental pollution measures, so that in this manner we can save the environment. The countries, companies and individuals are reminded of their responsibility towards reducing the emission of greenhouse gases, countering the depletion of ozone gas, deforestation, cutting of trees and global warming. Okay, so on this day we just make the people alert to how to save the environment, how to save animals, yeah, how to plant trees. In this manner we can just increase the we can take a proper care of the environment. We are making the people aware. We are making a people just creating the knowledge in themselves how to make the environmental clean, pollution free. Okay, and this day is celebrated on 5th June every year. Got it? Yes. Now comes the next day, that is World Day Against Child Labor. You know students, what is child labor? Child labor Yes, child means a kid and labor means the children, those who used to work in factories, mines, those who live below the age of poverty. Yes, garibi. Yes, those parents are not affording their students to send their ward to school. Instead of they just force them to work in the factories and industries. Okay, that is known as child labor. So, World Day Against Child Labor. World Day Against Child Labor